Uppercase H has a line, and a bridge. Lowercase h has a line, but a nice little hill over there. Uppercase and lowercase, do they look the same? No, but they do both start with that tall line. H sounds like and let's look at some pictures of things that start with an H. And I'm going to point up like we've been learning. Hammer. Hammer. The beginning sound is and we have hat. Hen. Hippo. Hose. And house. Make sure when you are making your H sound that it is all air, like you're out of breath. Okay, no ha ha. Make sure you're doing it right. The way to make our uppercase H, tall line, another tall line, and then put a bridge. Notice I'm not starting from the bottom. Start at the top. Tall line, and the bridge. Lowercase h, it's just as tall, but the hill is short. Let's do it again. Top to the bottom, bounce back up, one hill. Letter H. Now keep watching because we're going to segment some words that have H in it. Okay, we're going to break apart some sounds. They all start with H, so the beginning, the first sound is going to be on all of them. But what is the middle and what will the last one be? Let's see. Our first word is ham. Our next one is hop. Next word, hi. I. And that was it. Did I trick you? It was only 1, 2. That was it. Here's your next word, hat. Our next word is hill. Ul. Our next word is hip. Our next word is hey. A. Did I trick you? Did you try to go down to there? It was just 1, 2, not 1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2. Okay, we only have one more. It's hen. All right, thank you for practicing your segmenting with me today. Do some more words at home.